Those are the 4 tips. By doing just one of it, if you increase the performance and the effectiveness to trap dirt and other gross things. Hi, Andy here. We are the floor mat master distributor in Malaysia, and today we're going to run through 4 tips on how to clean your entrance mat. With an effective floor mat, it can reduce the labor cleaning hours throughout your facility, and with COVID-19 outbreak, an effective clean floor mat can trap dirt, dust, debris right from the entrance so that the cleaner have more time to concentrate on cleaning and disinfection on other high-touch area. Having said all that, the floor mat that trap all the dirt, dust and debris at the main or toilet entrance need to be cleaned periodically from time to time to ensure the effectiveness. So these are the 4 best and easiest way to keep your entrance mat sparkling clean. Tip number 1, wash the entrance mat. For those floor mat that is washable, you have 2 options. The first option is wash it using a domestic or a commercial washing machine and dry it using a dryer, just like how you handle your clothes. The second option is wash it using hose water with detergent and air dry it. This is the easiest, most practical, and of course is the cheapest way. Before you select one of the options, always check with your floor mat supplier whether the entrance mat is washable. If yes, you need to have a cleaning instruction and the weight of the entrance mat if you're using washing machine and the dryer. Tip number 2, using wet and dry vacuum cleaner. This option is suitable for commercial or industrial location where your cleaning turnaround time is very limited, so you need something fast. Vacuum all the visible dirt when it is dry, then clean it using hose water and use the wet vacuum function to pick up excessive water that is on the floor mat surface. Things to note here are you need a powerful wet and dry vacuum, and the washable floor mat has to be made from nylon pulp with a quick dry function. Tip number 3, using carpet extractor. This would be the fastest option among all. The carpet extractor able to provide deep clean and extraction of dirt on the entrance mat. Provided the carpet extractor has powerful wet pickup and dry off the entrance mat within minutes. This option is suitable when you only have one piece of floor mat, and take away the entrance mat for a day just for the cleaning is not an option. Tip number 4, shake it out or vacuum. If the entrance mat is not a huge mat, you can take it far away from your entrance and shake it on the glass so that the same dirt will not trap back to your entrance. Or if the entrance mat is huge and heavy, please do not shake the mat because it's not going to be effective due to the weight of the mat. You may do a quick vacuum. By doing this, it will give the mat surface a refresh and leave the pile plusher. Things to note here are whether you shake it out or vacuum. It is a daily task, and the frequency of vacuum might increase to a few times a day depending on the traffic or weather. Those are the 4 tips. By doing just one of it, if you increase the performance and the effectiveness to trap dirt and other gross things. So that is all. I hope you guys are inside of this. If you need entrance floor mat, click on the link below. If you need a powerful wet and dry vacuum cleaner, click on the link below. If you need powerful carpet extractor, click on the link below. And if you need to shake out the entrance mat, wear a mask. Give us a follow if you are on Instagram or Facebook. Stay clean and stay safe. Take care.